Hello guys, welcome to my channel MULTIMAN. I have a new series for you guys, and this series is I'm going to create a complete sign up and login system using Bootstrap 5, PHP, AJAX and MySQL Database. In this series, we are going to look at some of the requirements that we will need in order to create our system. First of all, you will need a laptop or a desktop computer. Then you also need a text editor of your choice, so you can go for VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, or any text editor of your choice. Also, you need to have basic knowledge in how to use PHP, AJAX, and MySQL Database. In this series, you're going to create a login page, you're going to create sign up page, also create a forgot password page, then finally we create a simple dashboard page whereby when you log in, it will redirect you to your dashboard. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on YouTube using my handle at MULTIMAN95. Then on GitHub, you can also download my files there using my handle at MULTIMAN95.